says at the end of that NA thing, was it alcohol is a drug, period. You know, I just don't see the difference myself. Like, the behaviors are the same. What leads up to it's the same.
I used, after my water broke and I was on my way to the hospital, I got high because I couldn't face bringing another child into domestic violence.
When I was pregnant with her and I was getting high, I mean, I could feel her, you know, getting all excited and, you know, just moving frantically inside of me.
When a pregnant woman drinks alcohol or uses other drugs, the alcohol crosses the placental barrier and circulates through the tiny maturing fetus's veins and arteries.
With my daughter, I was drinking like I was drinking a lot. And when she was born, I could leave the hospital. She couldn't because she shaked. They had to wrap her a special way.
They have to be sometimes woken up to be fed, but their feeding difficulties are very similar.
The effects on the fetus can range from minimal to disastrous. The most serious effects are fetal alcohol syndrome, FAS, and fetal alcohol effects, FAE.
Andy was a 26-week premature baby. He spent his first 10 weeks up at OHSU in their neonatal intensive care unit. He actually was diagnosed at birth with fetal alcohol syndrome. We had a history of heavy alcohol use during pregnancy.
FAS is a medical diagnosis, and it's characterized by growth deficiency, a unique set of minor facial features, central nervous system dysfunction, or what you might refer to as cognitive or behavioral problems.
Why don't you take your glasses off for just a second, okay? Because there's some special things about how you look. The ears are at eye level or lower. Eyes are as far apart as they are wide, which is part of the dysmorphology. The philtrum is kind of long and the nose is a little bit upturned.
With fetal alcohol syndrome and fetal alcohol effects, no two children have exactly the same type of damage. They all have different strengths and weaknesses. Parts of their brain work, parts of it don't.
That his IQ is higher than his ability because he has no short-term memory, none. So for him to learn academics, he has to do it over and over and over and over again.